All right, guys, here we go. We have got lesson 45. This is going to be a big lesson because we are going to cover the three projects that are due this quarter. And they are all due right around the same time, all due around February 24th, 25th. So you have 6 weeks to figure this out. So I would not wait on these guys to be done at the end. Okay? So all three of these. Number one, grasshopper coding. You're familiar with that. This grade will not be dropped. If you do not finish grasshopper coding and attach the certificate, then you can expect not to get 100. Okay? So you can already see that Vanessa has already turned in her certificate, Fundamentals 2. Okay? Great. So that's one project that's lasts this whole quarter. You're very familiar with that. Second project that lasts this quarter. Okay? You are going to create a parody. You're going to make a video and sing a parody about the engineering design process. Okay? You can read the rubric, you can read the instructions, it's all there. Today, your goal is to select what song you're going to make a parody out of. Okay? But you're going to make a parody and turn in a video of you singing your song, the parody. And number three, the 3-ball drop. You're going to engineer some type of machine contraption, build it out of whatever you want, okay, that can drop 3 different size balls and all of them hit the ground at the same time. The minimum height needs to be 4 feet, and I highly recommend you read that. Okay, these grades will not be dropped, so do not get 3 zeros at the end. Okay, all right, so today's instructions, it's all on there. Here are some parody examples that you may want to watch from former students. They did an incredible, incredible job. Okay? Today you're turning in, you're going to figure out what song you want to turn in. You also want to attach to me the original lyrics. Okay? Not the lyrics of the parody, but your original lyrics. Now, obviously, you're at school. Don't be an idiot. Okay? So, beautiful. That's what we're going to do. Again, these three are all due at the same time. They're all due at coming up on the 24th, 25th of February, and none of these will be dropped. Okay? You will get whatever grade you earn for these three. Remember, this is a high school class, so we're not trying to be 7th grade material. So I would highly, highly, highly recommend you pace yourself, figure these out.